Welcome back to Ingwa News. The Food and Drug Administration has directed the Directorate of Education Cafeteria to temporarily halt operations after an inspection found several hygiene and compliance issues. The inspection flagged poor cleaning, structural maintenance concerns, expired or unavailable health cards of food handlers, and improper display of the food license. The cafeteria will be reopened only after corrective work is completed and a follow up FDA inspection is conducted.
So it was a inspection. Actually, we had received a telephonic complaint from NGO Boaken. I believe they had come here and they had seen some non-compliances. So today when we had checked, there were several structural non-compliances. Like there was some painting required and some cleaning that is required. We issued a notice to the canteen operator and we asked him to close the operations from tomorrow and get the thing rectified. So yeah, they are basically all civil works that are need to be done. So once he gets that done, we will do a verification inspection after he gives a compliance. And if things are in place, then he will get to operate it.
Okay, we are also informed that he doesn't have a proper license. Now we don't know what types of license.
He
Have a food
has
license.
a FDA license. There's an FDA license. So FDA license is there. So as far as FDA license is concerned, there is no issue. However, his food handlers, they were not having their health cards. So you asked them to get it done through the doctor also.
Okay, the address doesn't have a
Health card was not there. It was there, but it was not renewed.
Okay.
You asked him to rectify.
What was the complaint you said?
The complaint was basically that he had not displayed the license and there were some structural non-compliances which we have verified and it was a genuine complaint.